Launching a kite. Close to you and handmade lightning. It's really cool. You probably wonder how we were able to catch the lightning. See the place where the lightning struck, what we have experienced being closely. Learn what happened with our equipment after thunderstorm. Sit down comfortable, now I will show you. Caution, don't try this, a lightning strike is deadly. In the last video, I tied a thin wire to a kite and ran it in a thunderstorm. But nothing happened. Now I modified this technology. I apply high voltage to the wire from all TV set units. There are 10,000 volts on the anode of the kinescope. This is enough to cause the initial ionization. Small TV set, but the voltage is high. Luminescence of the corona discharge at the tip of the wire can be seen in the dark. Today we will make a unique experiment. With this TV, we will lure lightning. High voltage from this TV goes to the wire. TV power supply is this battery. Look. And this wire will be connected to a thin wire attached to a kite. This experiment is performing on a high hill. I wouldn't like to spoil the battery, so I put it on the isolator. TV housing is well grounded. High voltage goes to the kite through the wire on the bottle. Test run showed that wire is easily unwound from the bottle.
Дальше получить свое жилье, там не было дальше скандалов, конфликтов, и если у нее вдруг появится еще кто-то,
Turn on the second video camera and go away to a safe distance. Only a few minutes before. Kite was gained altitude and then went down. Because of this, the wire was shorted to the ground. The next gust of wind, kite rose abruptly and camera was thrown with a blast wave. It doesn't capture lightning, but we have a second camera. Inexpressible feelings. The sound reminds artillery volley, but even more impressive. Flash is awesome. I consider it well because after a range reminds a few minutes. Inner feelings are inexpressible. We came to our senses after a while. Just could not believe that this can be done by our hands. Then we ran through the forest like crazy, fearing that the explosion could attract soldiers. In just 5 minutes we flew home. Now we can safely explore the implications of the lightning strike. Let's look frame by frame. Strong magnetic induction occurred inside the bottle, which scattered the coil. The lightning passed to the antenna and vaporized it immediately. Lightning went through the channel selector to the ground. Battery cable was burned. I haven't found any molten soil. Maybe it was a weak lightning. I found 3 holes on the ground with burned grass. Lightning went into the ground in 3 different places. One near the channel switch, the other 2 a meter away from the TV. Probably there was a series of lightnings. What happened with the TV? To my surprise, kinescope doesn't explode, but here are some strange spots. The back was dropped out, melted, and covered with strange bubbles. The antenna is fully evaporated. The PCB is covered with a strange purple plume. Many tracks is burned out. All fuses flew out, which is not surprising. Coil flew from the speaker, membranes arched up outward. Poor battery. It doesn't get a lightning, but it was burnt with ultraviolet. Housing was melted and covered with bubbles. Paint is chipping. It was completely discharged, but when I loaded it, it was well working. The main secret of lightning is unraveled. Now we can force it to hit anything. What do you want to hit? Write it in the comments and we will do it. You can see most unusual experiments on the Creosan channel. Don't forget to follow it.